Space, the final frontier. Humans have been exploring the cosmos for decades, but did you know there are some truly mind-blowing facts about space exploration? From mysterious smells in space to the fastest spacecraft ever built, today, we'll dive into the 10 most unbelievable facts about space exploration, so sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed. Imagine stepping out of your spacecraft into the vacuum of space, surrounded by a billion stars. What would you expect to smell? Nothing, right? Well, not quite. Astronauts returning from spacewalks often report a peculiar scent clinging to their suits, a unique aroma described as a mix of burnt metal, gunpowder, and even seared steak. These cosmic rays interact with the materials, causing them to release volatile compounds that create this unusual smell of space. Ever wished you were a little bit taller? Well, space travel might just be the answer, at least temporarily. Here on Earth, gravity compresses our spines, but in the microgravity environment of space, that pressure is lifted. As a result, astronauts experience a slight stretching of their spines, making them grow up to 2 inches taller. This height increase, however, is only temporary. Our celestial companion, the Moon, is slowly drifting away from us. The Moon is moving further away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. This gradual separation is due to the complex gravitational dance between the Earth and the Moon, a cosmic waltz that stretches back billions of years. As the Moon orbits Earth, it pulls on our planet's oceans, creating tides. This tidal interaction transfers a tiny bit of Earth's rotational energy to the Moon's orbit, causing it to spiral outwards. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager spacecraft, twin emissaries carrying a very special message from humanity, the Voyager Golden Records. These records were designed to communicate the story of our world to extraterrestrials. They are a testament to human curiosity and our desire to reach out beyond our solar system. These gold-plated copper phonograph records are essentially time capsules, filled with the sights and sounds of Earth, a testament to the diversity and wonder of life on our planet. They were carefully curated to represent the richness of human culture and the beauty of our natural environment. They contain music from different cultures and eras, greetings in 55 languages, and a variety of sounds that capture the essence of life on Earth. The records include sounds from nature, from the chirping of crickets to the crashing of waves, as well as the calls of various animals and the laughter of children. The records are a message in a bottle cast into the vast cosmic ocean, a poetic gesture of hope and curiosity. They serve as a beacon to any potential extraterrestrial civilizations that might stumble upon them in the distant future, inviting them to learn about our world and perhaps one day to make contact with us. Imagine gazing up at the night sky, stars twinkling like celestial fireflies, and realizing that somewhere out there, amidst the cosmic tapestry, floats an empty astronaut suit, a silent sentinel in the vastness of space. In 2006, a Russian spacesuit, nicknamed SUTSAT-1, was released from the International Space Station. Equipped with a radio transmitter, SUTSAT-1 orbited Earth for several weeks, broadcasting greetings and telemetry data back to Earth. Eventually, the suit's batteries died, and it became just another piece of space debris, destined to orbit our planet for years to come. We humans have always been fascinated by speed, pushing the limits of how fast we can travel. The current record holder for the fastest human-made object is NASA's Parker Solar Probe. This incredible feat of engineering is on a mission to touch the sun, flying closer to our star than any spacecraft before it. To withstand the intense heat and radiation, the Parker Solar Probe is traveling at an astonishing speed of 430,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to travel from Earth to the Moon in under an hour. Space exploration generates a lot of excitement, but it also produces a surprising amount of debris. From defunct satellites to spent rocket stages, thousands of pieces of space junk orbit our planet. When these objects reach the end of their operational life, they need to be disposed of safely. That's where Point Nemo comes in, a remote location in the South Pacific Ocean, often referred to as the spacecraft cemetery. Over 250 spacecraft, including the iconic Mir space station, have met their watery demise at Point Nemo. Time, as we experience it here on Earth, is a constant, with days turning into nights and seasons changing in a predictable cycle. However, on other planets, time can behave in strange and unexpected ways. Take Venus, for example, our closest planetary neighbor. Venus rotates on its axis incredibly slowly, in the opposite direction to Earth. This means that a single day on Venus from sunrise to sunset lasts a staggering 243 Earth days. But a Venusian year is only 225 Earth days long. We humans are emotional beings, and sometimes, even in the vastness of space, tears are inevitable. Whether it's the overwhelming beauty of the cosmos or the loneliness of being so far from home, astronauts do feel the need to cry. But what happens to tears in zero gravity? The absence of gravity changes everything, including how our bodies react. Well, it turns out that crying in space is a rather peculiar experience. The tears don't behave the way they do on Earth. Astronauts can still shed tears, but without gravity to pull them downwards, the tears don't fall like they do on Earth. Instead, they accumulate around the eyes. Instead, they form little floating blobs of water that cling to your eyes. These blobs can be quite stubborn and don't just roll off. Imagine trying to wipe away a teardrop and it just sticks to your cheek, or worse, floats around in the spacecraft. This can be both amusing and annoying for astronauts, as they have to deal with these floating droplets. When we think of the coldest places in the universe, our minds often wander to the vast dark expanses of interstellar space, where temperatures hover just a few degrees above absolute zero. These regions are incredibly frigid, making them some of the most extreme environments known to science. But what if I told you that the coldest place ever recorded isn't in the depths of space, but right here on Earth? That's right. It might sound surprising, but our planet holds the record for the coldest temperature ever achieved. In a laboratory at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, scientists have created temperatures colder than anything found naturally in the universe. This groundbreaking achievement pushes the boundaries of what we know about cold. Using a device called a cold atom lab, which is designed to cool atoms to near absolute zero, they've achieved temperatures a mind-boggling billionth of a degree above absolute zero. This incredible feat opens up new possibilities for scientific research and understanding the fundamental laws of physics. And that's it for today's mind-blowing facts about space exploration. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome space content. Keep looking up, keep exploring, and never stop questioning the universe around us.